Dollar index daily chart 102 and 104 are your key horizontal support and resistance. For upside up to 104, for downside up to 102. Mostly bullish above 102. I have explained everything in detail in gold video. If market shift from 6 cut, which market think, to 3 cut, which Fed said, then this is hawkish and this is bullish dollar. And until this thing happen, until we see what Fed say in FOMC speech, we cannot be bearish dollar. And based on all past information, because now more image of burning oil tanker are coming, and expectation of second inflation wave right now are very high. Until these change happen, we cannot be bearish dollar. So this week dollar can easily go up to 104 level, and that is 61% retracement of this last bearish wave. And this came after your November FOMC meeting. So I have said my view about Fed FOMC meeting, but biggest risk this week is NFP. But doubt because of politics, election. I don't think Biden have courage to show 4% UR before election. So this is political trade, not economics, not fundamental, just pure politics. Because if Biden show 4% UR in beginning, then you can expect till election maybe it can go up to 5%. And all the data which you saw between December FOMC meeting and this week FOMC meeting, they were last year economic activity 2023. Still we do not have economic data of this year 2024, and most of those data will come after FOMC meeting. So until we get those data, that's why we are bullish up to 104, not higher than 104. For next 3 weeks, first risk FOMC, which I am expecting hawkish in favor of dollar. Second risk NFP, highly political, 4% magical number. Third, all the data series we show economic activity in beginning of 2024. Now euro dollar daily chart, it is constantly going down on week time frame like daily, and it is making lower low with lower high. So clear technical downtrend, especially for intraday trader like H1. Again you have crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. So that area near 09 clearly broken after breakout testing. So next support will be near 0.75. Retest of that support zone. If that support zone breakout on retest, you will sell again. But depends on Fed FOMC speech. On Euro USD H4 chart, first of all, static horizontal support and resistance give you maximum clarity. Plus you have this trend line, and this has been tested 4th time. So this is key dynamic support level. GPUSD H4 chart, you have sideways range and static clear horizontal support level near 1.26. So this is a range. Until range does not break out, there is no trend. Again you have a trend line tested 4th time. If it break out on retest, you can sell, and you do not need to wait till 126. But first wait for breakout of trend line. USD CAD daily chart, after breakout price is trading above 1.33 horizontal support level, and this can be your AVC flat. And if Fed did same as expected, then because of bullish dollar, it can retest 136 level. So you can buy a retest of 133 level and you can target 136 if you are trading bullish dollar. USD JPY is still sideways near 61% retracement of this last wave because everyone think this is double top and target 128, but nobody want to miss that double top trade. It depends how much Fed push against March rate cut. If it retests 151 again, then every wire will be gone and you can sell easily. But here, first wait for trend reversal sign. After that, it will be easy to sell. Because once trend reversal start, you can start selling retest of support after breakout, maybe chart pattern in the middle. Because first downside target will be 137. And before that you will have one more support 144, so you will get multiple selling opportunity and clear tax setup. But first let's see what happened with USD JPY on Fed FOMC speech. CAD JPY, you can see many JPY pair are almost sideways. It is testing but resistance is not breaking. So JPY pair direction depend on BOJ monetary policy. But all the G7 central bank waiting for clear direction on rate from Fed. GPJPY is still there sideways, testing static horizontal resistance 3 times on daily chart. So possible ending diagonal chart pattern plus 3 retest of a horizontal level. If price failed from this level, then only one support 178. So watch carefully for sign of trend reversal for JPY pair. If clear direction come, then you can start selling. Silver daily chart, price tested key horizontal support level 22.22 before gold and it went up on daily chart. So big change in gold and silver price action. So breakout of this horizontal support level depends on Fed speech. If he give hawkish surprise, then this big support level will break out and next one will be 20.81. Because if you watch carefully, then this may be your head and shoulders chart pattern. Neckline breakout, tiny retest, now new lower low. Since this is big daily chart, you need more clarity for scalper. Then H4 chart, you have this trend line. After 4 retest, in 5th attempt, it is breaking. Technically clear breakout of trend line, but this can be fake breakout because I am expecting hawkish Fed. And for more safe technical entry, instead of trendline breakout retest, better you wait for possible head and shoulder chart pattern. On breakout of neckline near 23.5, you can easily buy because by the time it break out of neckline, we will have crystal clear answer that where market will go after FOMC speech. So instead of speculating trendline breakout, better you focus on 23.5 static horizontal resistance. GDX daily chart, many people have invested in GDX. So you have technical downtrend from 61% level from 32. If silver and gold collapse because of hawkish Fed, then this will collapse too and 26 level can easily break out. Oil daily chart, a downtrend below trend line, it is flying until trend line does not break, it is bearish. And first big horizontal resistance will be 82 and it is near field retracement of this last wave. And now you have clear breakout of 74 horizontal resistance and next one 82. So if 82 level retest, then that will be good place for scalper. Big horizontal resistance level. Oil H4 chart, triangle instead of downside, it is breaking to upside. Static support 74 broken. First 81, that means 50% retracement from upside. Then next 84. But this area is sale zone for intraday trader. On H1 and 15-minute time frame, you can look for selling. If trend reversal comes from that level, then you can target at least back to 74 level. And you have this Peller channel. Lower trend line has been tested 4 times. Now price is testing upper trend line. If lower trend line retest again, you can buy. But after breakout, you can look for selling as retest. But support first will be 74 and fifth retracement from upside between 81 and 84. And if oil price stay up till inflation expectation on Friday, then if those numbers come down but higher oil price are visible on screen. SP 500 daily chart after Fed Waller said no hike and one FOMC member again said higher for longer when it was collapsing. It is sideways on daily chart and it is trading at all-time high. I am repeating one more time. Rate cut is sign of central bank panic. And your soft landing has ended. Slowly it will turn into recession. And recession is varies for SP 500. Everyone know very well. There will be no recession before first rate cut. And until recession start, soft landing will not turn into hard landing. Fed will not shift from hawkish to dovish until economic collapse begin. And if NFP show lower than 4% you are this week again, soft landing again, it will fly again.